Something a little different today. My dishwasher, it's a Kenmore. It was here when we moved in. Doesn't make enough heat to melt butter off the dishes. So I'm guessing a little bit, but I ordered a heater element off of Amazon. And it came with a bunch of other stuff that I don't know what it's for, but I guess we'll find out. This is, not my forte, but we'll, come here, buddy. Replace this element. So I've shut the water off. I'm going to pull it out. See if that's enough to get it out. Feels like something else is holding it in. You have to lower the front of this. Come on now. Yes. Okay. That's a start. All right, this is one of the nuts that's holding the element in. So disconnect the wire here. That we need a tool for. 3/4 inch wrench. Okay. Nice. There we go. There we go. Judging by the discoloration and everything, I'm fairly certain this is our issue. Okay. Good. way to know if it's going to work is to do some dishes.